In the early 1800s, fires destroyed countless buildings, causing devastation and loss. The introduction of the electric fire alarm in 1852 by Frederick Grinnell was revolutionary but met with skepticism. People feared false alarms and questioned reliability. The invention involved complex wiring and sensors, signaling danger before flames spread. Initial reception varied. While some embraced it, others resisted change. Over time, advancements improved accuracy and responsiveness. Today, electric fire alarms are standard in homes and businesses, saving lives and property. Their evolution reflects society's prioritization of safety, fundamentally transforming emergency response and building codes across the globe.